Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to have you here today because we're diving into one of my absolute favorite recipes, steamed dumplings. They're not just delicious, they're also super easy to make, and I promise you'll impress your friends and family with these little bites of joy. So if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our weekly recipes. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around. All right. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3¼ cup of water, 1 pound of ground pork, 1/2 cup of finely chopped green onions, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Simple, right? You can even switch up the protein or go vegetarian with mushrooms or tofu if that's more your style. Now, let's mix it all together. First, we're going to make the dough by combining the flour and water until it's nice and smooth. While that's resting, we'll whip up our filling. Just mix the ground pork with the green onions, soy sauce, sesame oil, and season it to taste. Once your dough is ready, roll it out and cut it into circles. Place a spoonful of that delicious filling right in the center, fold it over, and pinch the edges to seal. It's like a little present, and trust me, they're going to look amazing. Then, we'll steam them for about 15-20 minutes until they're fluffy and cooked through. Perfect for dipping in a little soy sauce or chili oil. So, until next time, keep cooking, keep experimenting, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty adventures. Can't wait to see you again.